Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Flashscore application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and now click on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the other section and click on the change language option, which is the fourth one. Now it's set to English, but if you scroll down, you are going to see that you have a vast variety of other language options. So just simply click on the one that you prefer, and by clicking on it, you are going to update this function of the app, so you will be directed to your home page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.